Okay, I really need to go and like get up, but like, look at this. I can't move. So we're eating at my cousin's house, us and Alex. I have to carry this fruit tray, so I can't vlog. One sec. I
not like fags, so I took them out.
It's like so excited when you just talk. So we're having a burping contest. Me, Brittany, and Tierney,
Alex is gonna join.
and Alex. Take one down. Take one down. 99 bottles of beer.
No. I did like two. Mine were like.
Yeah.
That was weak. There.
Isn't that?
That was probably what
Not as many.
5 or 1
Hi, Brittany. Trying to get veins to pop out. All right.
Oh my goodness. Look at that one on that. Look at mine.
My cousins live right by Kickapoo, so we're gonna go over and play in the football
like 10
field.
kids.
To be like public to everyone, so they just put something right there.
Yep, go.
Well, I wanna let you know, mama.
Marshall's team this way. Our team go over there.
We need a
We were team playing, so when we win, we go. Oh!
Mind is made up and I wanna go. And I've been thinking about what to do. Been thinking about me and you. For a long time, I try to find reason to stay here in this cage of mine. Well, I don't need no borderline. I don't need that frame of mind. Let me tell you, I don't need nobody. Nobody but me.
Get down, so I'm just chilling.
I don't want nobody. Nobody but me.
So we've decided instead of just hanging out at the house every Sunday like we usually do, we're gonna come here and play sports. I think next week's tennis and kickball. Goals. Wow, that was like goals with the lighting.
Yeah. When I'm supposed to be driving, but I want to look at the camera instead.
True.
Nobody. Listen, now you're gone back, and I want you back. Those things I ever said, regret saying that.